Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn Fiverr into dark mode. If you spend a lot of time browsing through gigs or managing your freelance projects on Fiverr, switching to dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain, especially during those late night work sessions. Let's walk through how to enable this feature step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, you'll land on Fiverr's homepage where you can see all the featured services and categories. Take a moment to let the page fully load before moving to the next step, as this ensures all interactive elements are ready to use. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Fiverr homepage. You'll need to go past all the service categories, testimonials, and informational sections until you reach the very footer of the page. Here's where things get interesting. Look carefully at the bottom right corner of the page, and you'll notice an accessibility icon. This icon is Fiverr's gateway to various display and usability options designed to make the platform more comfortable for different users. Go ahead and click on that accessibility icon to open the accessibility panel. Once the panel opens, you'll see several options that allow you to customize your browsing experience. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Contrast. This is the setting that controls how colors and backgrounds are displayed across the entire site. Click on Contrast to start cycling through the available modes. Fiverr offers multiple contrast settings to accommodate different visual preferences and lighting conditions. Keep clicking on the contrast option until you reach Dark Contrast. Each click will change the display mode, so you might cycle through a few different options like high contrast or inverted colors before landing on dark contrast. You'll know you've reached it when the entire Fiverr interface switches to a darker color scheme with lighter text. This creates that classic dark mode look that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Fiverr using their built-in accessibility features. This setting should persist across your browsing sessions, making your Fiverr experience more comfortable whether you're searching for services or managing your freelance business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.